Can we just stop a minute?
Once you stop moving, you die.
Like a shark. That's what they call me. The Mako.
Are you making fun of me?
No, it's my nickname. It's my moniker. All the greats had one.
Great what?
Never mind. Look. So you work for this Count Chocula.
I don't work for anybody.
Yeah, but he hired you to take me out here and show me the cocoa fields.
It's not about the cocoa fields. It's about the nature.
Nature, yeah.
Not nature. The nature. The nature of a man. The nature of darkness. That's a snake. You eat a snake heart. You consume its soul.